Hey guys, so here's my trade recap for the day. Going into today, I had a key level of actually a target level of this 56.72. I felt like we were gonna run it at some point today, and we did. I was a little impatient in the morning, and so here's what I essentially could have done better. We opened up here. I wanted to see us sweep here and then reverse. We didn't quite get that. So when I saw this candle, I thought, a retest of this sort of level and then, continue up higher, in which case, might have ended up seeing this type of action. But we didn't get that. And I got stopped out. Looking back on it, I would have had my stop a lot tighter. So like I entered here on like this around 56.40 area. My stop should have been at like, I want to say like maybe not even 35. I think I got in at like 43. My stop should have been like basically right here at 40. So it should have been like a 3 point stop. But I didn't, do that. It kept coming down. And so what I did was I should have waited for this kind of to develop because this is my next level. Limited in here, not a bad limited, but again, my stop is too wide on it. I really should have just tried it and then quickly place my stop right here on this wick low, and obviously if we ran that, then we should be coming down to here, which we did. So that's what I would have done on both of these. And then and so this was my main level, my main kind of like line in the sand level. Normally I would have limited this in if I hadn't taken any of these trades, to be honest with you. But after taking a couple losses, I want to wait for price action to develop, which I'm happy, with my patience to do that, and just wait for like the next setup. This was a great setup. It came, tag this, starts coming down here. I kind of waited for it to hold another probably, case of the first two trades kind of mentally in my head, but I really like this level. I typically like to go long if we tag this fib, if we don't crack below it, combined with this fair value gap on the 5 minute. I really like this. It held and then just rocketed up. I actually took a little bit off here, again, a case of the prior two trades, which I know shouldn't let them get in my head, they did. And so, I took off just, because now I'm down on the day. Not a great reason to do that considering I had a lot of conviction. This was my original plan, but didn't take everything off, and I took the final off right here, and then I actually re-entered right here on this retest where I tried, earlier in the morning, but here it was a much stronger level because I'm thinking it's going to hold. And I think actually at this level we were at, let's see, yeah, this was also the fib right here, which is an aggressive fib combined with this level, combined with opening print. This was a really great entry. I was happy with this trade. And so, again, I took it off again too early. Should have waited for here and then, here and then on. But a lot of good setups today. And so on to the next.